Today, our adventure takes us to Gatorland, an epic park with over 2,000 alligators. We'll be tossing dried gator bait from the deck, sitting on a gator, yes, really, catching some hilarious and action-packed shows, and even stepping behind the fence for an up-close encounter with some seriously massive gators. Let's dive into the swamp and see what's lurking beneath the surface. We're at a location both Tom and I both went to when we were kids. Not together, but, you know, both came here. And it's called Gatorland. And it still has the giant gator that you have to walk through to enter the park. I remember that. I don't know, they could have changed it or updated it, but I remember that. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Should we start walking around a little bit?
Yeah, I want to feed it.
You want to go over there? Yeah, let's walk over there. Oh, look, yeah, they're swimming around. Look at that one. Here he comes. I would not want to be in the water with these guys. Do you like his smile, Elizabeth? Is he smiling at you? Like, look at that smile. Oh, I don't know. Oh my. Those guys are huge. Look down. Like, this is not water you want to fall in. Look, he's cleaning him. Do you see? He's like, oh, that feels so nice. I'll clean your feathers for you, Betty. Aww. I have the whole sheet of like all the activities today. Okay. Oh, look at this one, that blue. Look how beautiful that is. Like, that is a beautiful colored bird. You do know you're at the end of that piece of stick right there, right? Like, if you pull that apart any further, you're gonna end up falling down. What is it?
Snake.
Ooh, there's a snake. We have an aviary with birds. I cannot wait for the jumperoo show. I remember that being hysterical as a kid. Up close encounters. You can feed gators, sit on gators, hold a snake. Ooh, what is that? I don't like that one. Diamondback rattlesnake. I like that they're behind glass. I can appreciate them. Oh, swamp white gator. Go on. Let's see. Look, there's little tiny gators. Hey, little buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this gator right here. Oh my goodness, he's huge. Whoa.
Mary Kate.
Wow, that is a huge gator. What is it? Oh my goodness, look at the door handles. Those are so cute, you're right. What is it, Elizabeth?
A giant bird.
A giant bird? But what else is in here?
Baby gators.
Baby gators. I like how that bird is completely unfazed, standing around a bunch of gators. Oh, look at that one's climbing out. That one's climbing out. Look at him. Dun, I'm coming for you. Oh, he wants to go soak up some sun. He's like, oh, that feels so nice. It's a chilly day. I went for my morning swim. Ah. Look, he stretched out his little legs. Is that not the cutest thing? He's like, yep, that's the life.
Mom, they have like little things for the gator to like put their like.
Oh, yeah. Little ridges so they can climb.
All of them moving now.
I like the sign. Warning, trespassers will be eaten. The Jumperoo show happens twice a day, and it's definitely worth checking out. It's a fun, silly show with an announcer and 2 staff members who are great at getting the crowd involved. There's a lot of cheering, laughing, and excitement as the alligators jump out of the water to grab pieces of chicken, even straight from the men's hands. It's a unique experience and really entertaining to watch. All right, what did you guys think of the show?
Amazing.
It was funny, right? Our side didn't win though. He didn't get the job. What do you think? Is it just sunning itself? Look how pretty. The park has a variety of animals to see, but the alligators are definitely the main attraction. There are tons of them. There's even a spot where you can zip line right over the gator pond if you're feeling adventurous. We decided to go a different route and took turns sitting on a gator instead. It was a safe, controlled setting, but still a pretty wild experience being that close.
You like horses? Yeah? Sit right down. ones you can take right here. Are they cool? Are they nice? Yeah? Look at that camera over there, say cheese. All right.
What do you think?
Awesome, great. I'm not a sports
Do you like
guy,
sitting on a gator?
About that.
It's like a riding horse?
Well, it's a little too short on the ground.
After they allow some people to sit on the gators, there's an educational show where they explain more about alligators, how they live, hunt, and what they eat. They really are fascinating animals. One of the last activities we paid a little extra for was feeding the gators, something Tom and I did years ago before our kiddos were ever born, and we still talk about how awesome it was. Just like last time, this experience takes you behind the gate, bringing you face to face with some of the biggest gators we've ever seen. Everyone gets 2 pieces of raw chicken to toss, and it's such a rush watching the powerful jaws snap shut just feet away. At the end, they take a family photo so you can hold on to the memory long after the experience fades. Thank you.
Wait,
It's
Good throw. That was right by his head. He ate it.
What do you think about this? It's pretty cool, huh?
They really are like
This is pretty cool. I don't know any place else you can do this.
It's like you guys.
Throw them out there.
One more from this guy.
Throw it good.
Oh, look at that
Oh,
giant.
yeah. Throw it out there.
I'm gonna throw it to a little one.
Aww. You're trying to feed. Oh, that's still pretty little, right?
Are you feeding the feet? What are those pellets, honey?
I think it's like ground up dried meat. It's really late. Oh, I think I'm gonna try to go for the big gator right there. You ready?
Yep, ready.
Ready. Okay. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I didn't throw it far enough. Oh, but the baby's going for it. He's like, what are you doing? Why are you crawling on my back?
They're just hitching a ride, you know, just another day on a gator's back.
I want to get a big one, so I'm gonna wait for a big one.
Gonna do this right here. Right hand on neck. Yeah, and right hand on tail. There we go. You're gonna keep a nice little squeeze. Squeeze the touch, real tight. Don't squeeze the stomach. Alright, and you want the snake, right? The snake's gonna go right around. You're gonna turn it down. Alright, and you're gonna hold him up just like this, okay? Alright, perfect. Alright, now big smile. You're fine. He ain't gonna hurt you. How's that bitch looking right here, Mom? Looks good?
He's gentle.
Looks good?
Oh, it's perfect.
Alright, awesome.
If you liked our video, be sure to check out more of Legs Outdoors, where we have a ton of unique travel and wild adventures just like this. With a passion to explore, we find fun family excursions from traveling through Alaska to paddling down a river. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.